Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to talk about Python list slicing. List slicing is a powerful technique to manipulate lists efficiently, and Python supports list slicing. List slicing gives you the ability to do multiple operations, such as extract subsets from the original list, no matter how the size of your subset. Run calculations on the list, then generate the new list. Also, you can modify the original list. Besides, extract certain values by indexes. You need to remember that when we talk about Python indexing, it always starts with 0 for columns and rows. List slicing syntax has this one. It starts from the start position, stop position, and the increment, the step position. For the original list, assume that we have the numbers from 1 to 5. So number 1 is the start point of the list, and it comes with the index 0. Then the next value have the index 1, and 3 value has index 2, and so forth, until the last value in our list that has index 4. So if we want to run the calculation over the list from 0 to 4, that means here this is indexing. We are calling the values from 1 to 4, because 0, it's here, the 1 value, and right before the index 4, that means here in the slice. Another example, the list from 1 to 5. Here we avoided or omitted the value 1 with the index 0, and we start executing the code from the value 2 with the index 1 until the end of the slice, before the index 5. So here in the list, start and stop, it's always about indexing, not the original values. Continue with our original list from 1 to 5. We have here multiple examples. So if we want to run the list from 1 to 3, so here the value 2, index 0, index 1, and right before index 3. So that's why the output will be 2 and 3 only. This is a subset from the original list. Also, if we want to execute the code to get all the values except the last value, so here we can do this, because -1 means starting point from here, from the 5. So this code or this list will give me the values from 1 to 4. Also, for this example, here we leave the start position blank, we leave also the end position blank, and -1. That means we want the original values but reversed. So the value 5 will be in the first or with the index 0, and then 4, 3, 2, and 1. In this example, list 1, -1, and the step 2, that means we excluded the index value here, this, and we started from the 2, and then step 2, and then also we excluded -1, so that's why the output will be only 2 and 4. This one and this one, because we have initiated the 2 or the step or the increment position. Then list 1 and leave the step position blank. That means we started from the index 1 to the end of the list itself. And here, if we want to modify the list. So if I want to modify the values with index 1 to 3, that means this value 2 and 3. If I wanted to modify it to 20 and 30, that's why the list after modification will only change the value 2 and 3 to 20 and 30. It's worthy to mention that I use the list comprehension to modify some values from the original lists as follows. So I to the power 2 for I in the list. I will speak more about list comprehension in our next video. So if I run this calculation, that means I multiplied all the values inside the original list to the power 2. That's why it will give me 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25. To add new values to the list, to our original list, from 1 to 5, this one, I can use two ways. First way is use len function to count after the existing values, as you can see here. So if I applied or added the lens to the original list and leave the step and stop position blank and modified 6, the original output, it will be 1, 20, 30, 4, 5, and 6. I also can identify the index of a new values in the list. So if I have identified the list, the 6th position, and stop position or stop index to the value 7, the output will be included the 7, the new value. And to remove new values from the original list using list slicing, we can manage to do that by using the empty list method, such this way. If I wanted to delete, so I will start from 6, index 6 till index 7 and leave it with empty list. It will remove the 7. This value will be deleted. Also, I can use the del function, del list 5 to 6 if I want to remove the 6th value. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. You can also watch more videos. That's how YouTube algorithm works. Thank you, and I see you in the next video. Bye.